What's up, Digibyte Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of Digibyte. My friends, this time we talk about the Digibyte. You can see here what's the current price of Digibyte. And my friends, if you are a holder of DGB coin, so please never miss this video because this is very urgent, very important for all DGB coin holders, my friends. And this video, first of all, we look the latest update of DGB coin. After that, we discuss that what will be the next move coming soon. But I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now, my friends, if you look at this time price of DGB coin, so 0.069762 USD dollar. That is the currently price of DGB coin, latest price of DGB coin. You can see here. Other side, if you look the price change so on the DGB coin Digibyte, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, price change is going positive, and I'm feeling very happy to see this kind of positive change on the DGB coin, my friends. I'm feeling very happy. Let's see price chart. My friends, the price chart tells us that in the start of June they will start jumping from yesterday. Yesterday the price of DGB coin fast down for a little time, but you can see after the fast they will again take jump. So remember that in the future they fast down for a little times. Does not mean that you decide to sell when you see the small fast, so you decide to sell. Oh my goodness, the DGB start fast, so sell. No. Don't do this mistake, and never do this mistake. Remember, if you want profit, you have to hold for 1 month, for 2 months, for 1 year. Not for 5 days, not for 10 days. No, that's not a way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. You have to hold for a long time. That's how you can make a good amount of profit. Anyways, my personal recommendation, my personal prediction about DGB coin is 100% positive, and believe that they will take a huge jump in this month. So I recommend for everyone, it's holding time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.